Here we come to another set of brand new Otis Gen 2 traction elevators at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. These are Otis Gen 2 as well.
Going up.
This one's smaller than the hospital size one too.
Second floor. Going
Panel.
down.
Oh my gosh, look at this one button. Look at this. Look at this. You can like turn it.
Floor.
Oh my gosh, you can turn that one button. Look at this. This one button's like falling apart. You know what, let me send this up. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oops, sorry, ma'am.
Going up.
All right, let's capture the other car when this one leaves. I cannot believe that one button has already started loosening up. And this one's waiting up for me. I almost bumped to that wall. 2.
Second floor.
Oh, I see you again. In case you're wondering, I'm just an elevator enthusiast, in case you were knowing. I do videos of elevators as a hobby. Whoop.
We're going down or out?
Down.
Okay,
great.
thank you.
I'm sorry, I did not mean to shut on you.
No, that's all right. You're good. All good.
All right.
You get our luggage.
What? I did not see you there, I'm sorry.
No, you're
it's
fine.
First floor.
Yeah, but talks.
All right.
Going up.
Good. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, ma'am. It's your cab view. All right, now we'll watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.